Good morning, my friends. It is Saturday, the 11th of June 2026, and we're out here at Porteau Cove, meeting up with Owen and Natasha. We're going to go for a two-day, one-night, overnight backpacking trip on the Howe Sound Crest Trail. So we just parked our cars here, waiting for them to come, and then we'll drive to Cypress Road, where we'll start the hike. We'll get the pack here, pack 5 litres of water, and my new tent from Mountain Warehouse. So yeah, we'll wait till they come here, and that is a beautiful view already. I think this is Mount Unnecessary, 1600 elevation. Guys, we are 5 hours into our hike, 8.66 k's, it's 140. We are at 1500 elevation, just in the middle between over there. We have, hey, what bird's that?
Oh lol, it looks like almost like a kookaburra.
Yeah, it looks like a blue jay. Mount Unnecessary there. We've got the beautiful islands in the background, and then the North Peak over here. We've also got Natasha down there, and Owen filming.
Hey-oh! And then we have beautiful bin right here, center frame.
Guys, that was a slug up. It was a pretty hectic up. I've got 4 litres of water left. Carrie started with 5, and can't wait to get rid of some of this water. But guys, whoosh, zoom in on that.
It's hard because it's the bird.
Oh, zoom in on the bird.
I'll zoom in on the bird too. Hell yeah.
The light.
He is a cutie.
Alright, cut it. Cut!
Yep.
Bonjour, mon ami. We have made it to the Towers of Mordor. No, it's just the East Lion and West Lion. So, we'll be traversing through that crack, over that edge, and onwards. We've, yeah.
You're a big fan of traversing through cracks.
Cut! The fog's clearing up. You got some lakes down there, beautiful trees, and Owen's back there. Guys, look at this descent. Epic. And then we go through there. Oh man. We got a funky traverse here. It's a bit hard to carry packs down. Pretty high. Nice, Natasha.
Oh.
Jeez, Wonder Woman. Easy. Guys, it's 4 p.m. after 7.5 hours of hiking, 11 k's, 3 k's from our destination. We got a specialty here. We got trail mix from Natasha with the mixed in gummy bears, cherries, capsicum, mandarin, and my sesame bagel with salami sticks. Bon appetit. West Lion, East Lion, Lynn Valley, Vancouver, Owen and Natasha. Oh, yeah. The Bay. Wow. Epic, guys. Purple stone. This hike has everything. Wish I could get a video of this, but this traverse was like pretty much wall climbing. Still 2 k's away from base camp.
2 k's in 1 hour, that's doable.
The lake.
If it's like this the whole way.
We got more than 1 hour.
Not even near the end. We got a tight rope to cross. Oh my god.
Almost there, right?
The first step was pretty scary. And then now he's got to scramble across.
The chain's heavy as well, it like swings you.
Yeah, you can't really grab in the middle.
Like you gotta know when to like just let it go a bit.
Just gotta know when to let go.
And you went to there.
Yeah.
Because that's too far.
Nice. She's off.
Go.
Guys, we're 7:30, 11 hours in, and we're 14.2 Ks. We were promised 14.5 Ks, but we're still 3 Ks away. So we have to go to the meadows, which is around that mountain, onto the path over there. So we don't know if we're going to make it.
We don't think we're going to make it.
We don't think so.
So now we gotta
But we're hoping
improvise a camping
that the
spot.
path goes through that little saddle, that little grass that you can see down the bottom there. Fingers crossed. It has to, right? It has to. And we're just going to find a spot nice and out of the wind, hopefully with some nice soft grass, but at least out of the wind.
That's it.
Yeah.
That's the hope.
That's all we can do.
Yeah, boy. Let's go. Oh, what a beautiful view, though. That's one for the gram.
Friends, so we're ending the day at 8 p.m. today. We have 11 hours total time with a distance of 14.6 Ks. We're going to set up camp at 1340 elevation. We didn't make it to Magnesia Meadows. It's still another 3 Ks, so it was supposed to be 14 Ks total, but it's actually 17. So we're going to go here. It's a bit quieter, somewhat flat. Start having some dinner, and we'll continue the adventure tomorrow. See you at dinner. So, a bit of rain, bit of mosquitoes, bit of dinner. Got the spicy sausage with some Korean tea, cherries, leftovers. Gorgeous. Got some breakfast shin ramen. Tasha's still staying up. Owen's still in bed. Sunrise coming up. Gorgeous. So that's where we came from. That's there. And then we're heading across the ridgeline. So close to Magnesia Meadows, and it's been 2 hours. I cannot believe how far this hike was. But our first source of running water. So I'm gonna get some water now. So, got some water bottles here. A smart water bottle. And then we got this filter that Ivan got us, the Toya Squeeze. So we'll get the dirty bottle first. Get up from the running floor. Hopefully Natasha's not peeing up soon. Just so. And you squeeze it on. Pop this one. Give it a taste. Delicious. Fresh Icelandic water. Oh, it's soapy. I think it's okay. There's bugs here. Holy, so many mosquitoes. But yeah, you guys get the gist of it. So apparently Owen's got chili in his eye. Natasha got mosquito in her eye.
You like that one kid in high school who, like, whenever something happens to someone, the same thing happened to him.
And that's a shelter there.
I feel like
Magnesia meadows.
Find a better safety clip.
So it turns out, guys, Owen lost his safety on his bear spray, and he got bear spray in his eye. Look at this natural toilet out in the woods. What a view, hey? What a view. Is the word I'm looking for austere? Brunswick Lake. Look at that blue. Wow. Gorgeous. Spectacle. So we made it to Brunswick Lake. Owen and Natasha, our new friends. Trail mix. Tuna Cliff Bar. Alright, I'm going in.
I've been holding it in for a while, but it's I got like a nugget hanging out.
Oh my god. Nugget, it's a nugget.
Oh,
I don't think we'll stop.
oh, that is spicy. No, just bro, I got it too, but.
alright, quick in and out.
Bad idea. Oh, it's not like not for swimming.
Yeah, Ben, are you sticking in or are you coming straight out? Yeah,
Alright, fuck that. I'm not.
Can you, there should be one more towel, right?
Yeah, I have them. I was gonna say, like, oh my god, we have to share a towel.
Wait, that was fast. I just started?
Stop watching her!
Yeah, weirdo.
Got this!
Wow, without contacts, this all sounds so fun.
You didn't wait for me to find my towel for me.
All of the animals were like humans living in like their village in the outback with like